My question to you, what is the difference between a lead and a referral? What's a lead?
A lead is it may or may not convert to business.
Okay.
But a referral is something that you've been spoken for.
Okay.
And if the requirement is real, it will be the business will happen.
Okay. To sum up what you said, a lead is just a piece of a data, just a piece of an information which could be used, may not be used, could be converted, could not be converted, etc. And a referral is when somebody has already spoken for you, like you said. Okay. So having said that, let me illustrate what a lead is versus what a referral is. Okay. Now, there was this man, a very handsome guy, Tom, very successful in business, all good physique. Any girl would really want to get hooked onto him. This was Tom, and he had a friend, Jack. Okay. Now Jack is of a more of a serious kind. Is a committed, married person. Now one day what happened? Tom and Jack went to a pub, right? Tom felt that Jack has been asking for a girl out for a date, and what happens is Jack is married, right? So this guy is having an ask, and this guy has got a referral source, right? So this person, Jack, goes back home, talks to his wife about it. Listen, I have a really good guy who needs to get hooked up to. Okay. Now this girl can do two things. Wife of Jack can do two things. She can talk to a friend of hers, okay, another beautiful girl, okay, tell him about this person, okay, pass on the phone number, right? She can do that. Or she can just pass on this girl's phone number to this guy without informing her, right? So what happens when this Tom, the handsome Tom, calls the beautiful, say, let's say Kate, right? What happens if this guy calls this girl without this girl knowing that he's supposed to call her? What happens? This guy calls and says, hey, I just came to know that you're available. What sort of a reaction does this girl give? This sort. Right? She's all angry. End of conversation. End of conversation. Why? It was just a piece of a data. The phone number was passed. She did not know to expect a call. She did not know to expect a call. The end of it. No conversation. No matter how much more appeal from this guy, sorry, apology, whatever, this referral is not going to get converted. That's a lead. Right? Now what happens in a different scenario? This guy is married, wife, this guy talks to this girl, she talks to this lady and tells her that Tom is going to call her, right? Now Tom calls Kate. What happens now? Kate knows to expect a call from Tom. Same question. Hi, your number was passed by Jack, and Jack felt that you could use my company. The same question framed a little way different. What happens now? This girl can either say, yes, let us meet up, okay? Or can say, I'm sorry, I'm already seeing somebody else, right? Now what happens if this girl says, let's meet up? That is a referral which is directly converted to transaction, right? That seldom happens. But what if this girl says, let's meet up, let's understand each other, let's take things from there, okay? That is a referral which is a foot in the door, right? So what does a referral do? A referral is an opportunity to create a relationship. Now, it is up to these guys whether the first date can end up in a bedroom or not. That would have really converted to a transaction immediately. That doesn't happen. Now, when that doesn't happen in real life scenarios, do we really expect a transaction to happen immediately? Right? So what would have actually happened was, they meet, okay? If this girl is interested in this guy, maybe the relationships develop. The same thing happens to any referral which gets passed, okay? So, what is a lead and what is a referral? A referral is an opportunity to do business. It is an opportunity to build up a relationship. Transactions happen. Now, for example, if Manik is given a referral of a builder, okay? Manik calls up the builder and says, I'm expected to give you a call and you are expected to receive my call, just as the person who gave the referral to Manik suggested. Now, the builder may already have a printer to whom he is giving business to, right? That doesn't stop Manik from approaching the builder. Neither does it stop the person who's given a referral to Manik to talk to the builder. Yes, I know you already are giving a job to a builder, to a printer, but speak to this guy. This guy is all handsome, he's all equipped, and he can do the job very well, right? That is a referral. Thank you.